does. Grafana is an open-source platform for building analytics and monitoring dashboards. It allows you to visualize data from various sources, such as Prometheus, and set up alerts based on that data. In this example, we'll set up a Grafana dashboard connected to a Prometheus data source, with alerts and visualizations. Command/example. Breaking it down. We start by installing Grafana and Prometheus using Docker. We then configure Prometheus as a data source in Grafana using the curl command. Next, we create a new dashboard in Grafana with a single row and panel. The panel is a graph that displays the up metric from Prometheus. Common mistakes. Forgetting to configure the Prometheus data source in Grafana. Using the wrong URL for the Prometheus data source. Not setting up the correct permissions for the Grafana dashboard. Try this next. Set up alerts in Grafana based on the data from Prometheus. Add more panels to the dashboard to display different metrics. Experiment with different visualization options, such as tables and heat maps. Pro tip: use a separate dashboard for each application or service to keep the metrics organized. Set up alerts for critical metrics, such as CPU usage and memory usage. Use Grafana's built-in features, such as templating and variables, to make the dashboards more dynamic and reusable. To set up alerts in Grafana, you can use the following example. This will create a new alert that triggers when the up metric is equal to 0. You can customize the alert settings and conditions to fit your specific use case.